Daddy.
Come here.
Oh, he's coming. Okay.
Okay, turn him around.
Yeah, the turntable behind you. Hey, big boy.
Turn it around.
Come on, he's like, I don't have the cornering thing down yet.
There you go.
Come here. Where you going?
Oh, he's getting the turn around stuff.
Ready? Ready? Come to mommy.
Scoot back a little bit.
Come to mommy. Oh, he's like, all right, this is a lot of weight to carry on you. I don't have that much practice now. But I can run.
Oh shit, now he's starting to run.
Hey, Daddy, let's see how fast I can get to you. Oh, slow down. Oh, slow down.
Oh, he's about to trip himself. Oh, he tackled me. You got me. Oh.
I got tackling down too.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, big boy. Hey. Get yourself up. Come on. Oh. Come on. See? No. That's why we don't want the baby walking.
Already. Now he knows it's gonna move. Go.
Hey, come to mommy. Oh, tripping on the water. Come to mommy.
Here it comes.
Hey, I'm over here. Oh, you in the stool. You already